Hello everyone. Today I shall discuss exercise 5.1 question number 7. Can two angles be supplementary if both of them are acute? Here question number 1 is, suppose if both the two angles are acute, right? Acute means less than 90 degree, right? Suppose less than 90 degree, less than 90, 89 degree. Less than 90 means suppose 90 degree, right? Then if the both angles are acute, it cannot be supplementary because the sum should be 180 degree, but the sum will be less than 180 degree. Can two angles be supplementary if both the angles are acute? The answer is no. No. Because the sum of the two acute angles, because the sum of two acute angles, the sum of two acute angles is less than 180 degree, because the sum of two acute angles is less than 180 degree, right? Number 2, can two angles be supplementary if both of them are obtuse? Obtuse means greater than 90 degree, right? That is also no, because the sum of two obtuse angle the sum of two obtuse angles is greater than 180 degree, or is greater than 180 degree. Now question number 3. Can two angles be supplementary if both of them are right angle? Yes, because 90 plus 90 is 180 degree. Yes, because the sum of two right angle is 180 degree. Yes, because the sum of two right angles is 180 degree. And if the sum of two angles is 180 degree, we call them as supplement of one another or supplementary angles. Question 1 is no, because the sum of two acute angles is less than 180 degree. Question number 2 is obtuse. No, because the sum of two obtuse angles is greater than 180 degree. And if both of them are right angle, the answer is yes, because the sum of two right angles is always 180 degree. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.